Welcome to the Potential and Kinetic Energy WebQuest. This WebQuest is designed for 8th grade science students. So let's go ahead and take a look. First, we just have our home page. Let's just jump ahead to the introduction. So the students are going to take a look at potential and kinetic energy. They've already done some activities related to potential and kinetic energy. Now they're going to dig a little deeper and look at potential and kinetic energy with roller coasters, skate park, and a ski ramp. Students will have the opportunity to listen a little bit more, and then also they're going to open up a Google Doc where they're going to record all of their responses. So let's take a look at that. Here's the Google Doc where they're going to record all of their responses. The Google Doc follows in line with the WebQuest. So students are going to explore with the skate park and they're going to respond to some questions right here on the Google Doc. Then they're going to choose a video or an article to learn more about potential and kinetic energy, specifically the difference between the two, also the relationship between the two and the energy transformations that take place. So in the Process tab, you'll notice that there is the skate park simulation, so the link to that, the video, the article, which is embedded, and then the Elaborate part, which we'll talk about in just a minute. So let's take a look at the video. So the video is embedded right on the page, so students just need to click and watch. So let's take a look.
With their high speeds and bright colors, you may find it hard to believe that roller coasters have been around for more than 200 years. But since their beginning, the basic science behind roller coasters has remained the same. It's the science of forces, energy, and motion, called physics. Like any other amusement park ride, roller coasters need energy to work.
All right, and the video goes into more detail then about the potential and kinetic energy and the transformations of them in a roller coaster. All right, then we have the article, which the article is completely embedded for ease of use. We have the Elaborate. When students are finished with the evaluation, they can go and look at designing a roller coaster. So let's take a quick look. So in here, it's just a basic roller coaster. Students will develop some tracks, they'll determine the start height, and then test out their roller coaster. Next, we have the Evaluate. This is where students are going to go back to the skate park. They're going to create some scenarios, and there's a part where they can listen for more detail and answer the questions. We also have the rubric, which is based off of the basics of all science standards, where students will look at obtaining information, evaluating information, and communicate information. And there is a reflection piece as well. This is also included in the Google Doc. We have the references for teachers. And then on the teacher page, we have the 8th grade science standards, the technology standards, some tips for teachers in implementing the WebQuest, and this also includes some diagrams to help students who are struggling with how to explain that relationship between potential and kinetic energy and the energy transformations that take place. I hope that you are able to incorporate this into your 8th grade classroom, and I do welcome any feedback. Thank you.